They say age is nothing but a number, and for a group of women in Kawangware, age has not kept them away from achieving their dreams. Learning from an 83-year-old great-grandmother to the youngest learner, who's a 32-year-old mother of 5. They have graduated from the basics of holding a pen and struggling to pronounce vowels, and are now able to write their names and tackle simple sums.
It is shortly after 11 a.m. Another day for learners at the Cornerstone School in Kawangware to learn something new. But this is not your ordinary class, and neither are the learners. They are mothers, grandmothers, and great-grandmothers. 32-year-old Susan Nyambura is the youngest. 83-year-old Hannah Njoki is the oldest. They are in for an English lesson. It starts with the basics, pronunciation of vowels. Ma, ma, This beginner's book, one of the books that they depend on. From vowels, they learn short words and how to write them.
Anne has a cup. A cat has a mat.
For many of them, learning has been a lifelong dream. They have a desire to be able to tackle simple sums, as well as write a few words, including their names.
Nilikuja shule kwa maana tangu mimi nazaliwa bado ingia shule siku ingine. Hii ndio yangu ya mwanzo na mimi nafikiria ndio ya mwisho sababu utajua kuandika hata namba moja.
Hannah Njoki, a great-grandmother, started learning by getting to know what to many would appear simple, how to hold a pencil. It's been 2 months since she started learning, and she is achieving her goals.
Nilikuwa sijui hata jina yangu na saa hii ninaandika jina yangu. Kwa hivyo nilikuja shule nisikie utamu ya kusoma.
Already in her sunset years, to Njoki.
Saa hii hata ninaona kama mimi iko invalid kwa kufurahia.
Her deskmate, 73-year-old Sophia Nungaru, too, is making progress. Writing words of vowels is a struggle for some of the learners, but they are a determined lot, and their instructors are patient.
Sana najisikia raha, najisikia niko huru kwa sababu nilikuwa najikunja, tunaona mimi ni mjinga, sijui kusoma.
Naweza kuulizwa, this is a man, ni mwanaume, he is a fat man, ni mwanaume mnono. Naulizwa, what is this? This is a cat, hii ni paka.
Such sessions run for 4 months. The learners are given a certificate of participation.
You know, these people, most of them are traders, like now in Dagoretti South here. So we tell them, you know, that's English. You'll be able, when somebody comes and they talk about tomatoes, you'll be able to know what are tomatoes, you know, the basic things.
This center is among 5 adult learning centers in Nairobi under a program initiated by the Nairobi County Women Representative.
And so we were all given 7 million per constituency. Very little money, by the way, if you compare to members of parliament. Because a member of parliament, for example, for here where we are, has 100 million. I have 7 million. Same time frame, same constituency. You can see the imbalance.
In 2015, 12 candidates from this center sat the Kenya Certificate of Primary Education exams. The highest scored 288 marks. In this class, some want more.
Nikimaliza hapa nitaweza tu kupenda tu kusoma.
Tungeomba kama tutaendelea kwa ajili hiyo tujue kuweka signatory.
As the English class goes on, outside, a practical class is underway. Today, it is all about beadwork.
Ile kamba iko upande wenye uko, ndio unaweka beads.
They get a step-by-step guide to making ornaments. Such a class meant to help the learners start small businesses.
Kuna hii yenye inaenda hivi na hii iko side yako. Hii ndio tunaweka mbili na hii tunaweka.
Always keen to attend classes, she tags her child along. For the little boy, it is never too early to learn. Aside from beadwork, there is also a cookery class.
Every politician at a point wants to feel they changed the lives of somebody. And that's what I'm feeling with this program.
For many of the women, attending classes is more than just about checking learning off their bucket list. It is about empowerment, the ability to do what many would dismiss as simple tasks, but which to them make a whole world of a difference. Rita Tinina, KTN News.